Hi, today we are going to make the strawberry from the Very Hungry Caterpillar. This is going to be one of my series, so stay tuned. And now let's get started. For our materials, we are going to need our yarn. We have our white, red, and green yarn, our crochet hook, needle, and some stuffings. To start, we are going to make a magic ring. If you're new to crochet and you wanted to learn a slow and more detailed guide on how to make a magic ring, you can click on the info card above. We will make 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in our magic ring. Now we will pull the tail to close it, and we will make a slip stitch on the first single crochet that we have made. Slip stitch and chain 1, ready for our round 2. For round 2, we will make 1 single crochet. We will do it in the same stitch where we did our slip stitch, and an increase for 3 times, slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 9 stitches. If you need a more detailed guide on the crochet basic stitches, you can click on the info card above. Since I don't use stitch marker, I make the slip stitch by skipping the last 2 stitches, and this marks the beginning of our next round. And don't forget, chain 1. And for our round 3, we will start again from the first stitch where we made our slip stitch, an increase, and 2 single crochets for 3 times, slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 12 stitches. We will skip 2 stitches again before making a slip stitch and chain 1 to start round 4. For round 4, 3 single crochets and an increase for 3 times. Start again in the same stitch where we did our slip stitch, and close it with slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 15 stitches. We keep increasing for round 5. We will do an increase and 4 single crochets for 3 times, slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 18 stitches. For round 6, we'll make 5 single crochets and increase for 3 times slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 21 stitches. For round 7, we'll make an increase and 6 single crochets for 3 times slip stitch and chain 1. This is our last increase for a total of 24 stitches. For round 8 and 9, we will make 24 single crochets, slip stitch and chain 1. I will do the rest off camera and I'll see you right back at the end of round 9. And now we're finishing up round 9. We are going to make a slip stitch and chain 1. For our round 10, we will make a decrease and 2 single crochets for 6 times slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 18 stitches. After round 10, we will start adding some stuffings. And now we will continue decreasing. For round 11, we will make 1 single crochet and a decrease for 6 times slip stitch and chain 1 for a total of 12 stitches. For round 12, we will make 6 decrease and slip stitch. After round 12, we will cut the yarn and we will sew the last round. And now we have our strawberry body. Next, we are going to make the leaves. To make the leaves, we will make a magic ring. We will need 6 single crochets in magic ring and a slip stitch. And for our round 2, we will make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After that, we will skip the first stitch and we will start making slip stitch on the next one. Half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, one half double crochet, slip stitch, and another slip stitch on the next stitch. So we will do that again for 5 more times until we finish the rest of the leaves. And now we're finished making our leaves. After that, we will cut the yarn. Make sure you have a long allowance because we are going to sew them together. And now the leaves are attached to our strawberry body. Next is we will sow our seeds. So by doing that, I will skip one row each, and in each row I will skip 4 stitches apart. I will sew the white yarn twice in every seed. And after that, I will count 4 stitches apart each seeds. After sewing the seeds, you make a knot and cut the yarn, and make sure you hide the knot that you made. And now we have our strawberry. If you made it this far, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!